I am Jayachandran. I have been practicing meditation for more than 2 decades. Now I want to share some of my learning, some of my experience with you. I am grateful to my teachers, to Siddhars, and the universe for gracing me the knowledge. Today I am going to talk about the alignment of the planets with the alignment of the chakras. Since I talk of the chakras, I want to run a short course of the chakras. The base or root chakra is in the lower end of the spinal cord. Its function is survival, fight and flight mechanism. Second chakra is sacral chakra. It is in between your belly button and the base chakra. Its function is to regulate reproductive organs and its hormones. Third chakra is solar plexus chakra. It is for creativity. Fourth chakra is heart chakra. As many of you know, it's for love and compassion. Fifth chakra is throat chakra. It is for power and communication. Sixth chakra is in the center of the forehead. Though I tell you, I point to the center of the forehead, it is only the entry and exit point. The chakra is inside your head. Its function is intuition and clairvoyance. Seventh chakra is the crown chakra on the top of your head. Its function is bliss and wisdom. Many spiritualities believe wisdom has been granted by the universe by the higher ups. Sixth and seventh chakra are connected with your pituitary and pineal glands. Now you know the alignment of the planet is taking place and its effect will be up to the end of February. Siddhars who lived before 2000 years and said to be living today had observed the planetary movement since they were masters of meditation, medicine, physiology, anatomy, herb. Then they found out that planets affect our chakras. They have a connection with our chakras and they have connection with our body parts. You may think planets so far away, can it affect our body, our emotions? Now see the sun, depending upon the intensity of the sun, we have our activities. When the sun is intense, we like to stay indoors. In the morning, rising sun and sun setting is pleasant to the eyes. It gives vitamin D to us for producing calcium. So when the sun is far away, it can affect our emotions, our bodily functions. Planets will definitely affect our emotions, chakras, and bodily functions. Now, I am telling a simple exercise or meditation technique to connect the alignment of the chakras with the alignment of the planets. You can do this by sitting or standing. Raise your hand up, and extend the hand. Spine should be erect but relaxed. You know, our spinal cord is made of 33 segments or vertebrae. Here, you can do this by opening or closing eyes. Now, increase the space between the first and second vertebrae or segment. Then second and third vertebrae, third and fourth vertebrae, like that. Feel the chakras because 5 of our chakras are in the spinal cord. Now feel the chakras, feel your spinal cord, Feel the energy and connect the chakras with the energy of the planets. You can stay there as long as you like or as the time permits. Then, when you bring it down, bring the hands down and you can resume your normal activities, or you can sit and still feel the connection, the energy, the elongation of your spine and the space between the vertebrae. Do it for some more time as the time permits, then you can resume your normal activities. Thank you for listening.